Hi friends, today I'm going to show you the oldest trees in the world. Now you may gonna know how old the bonsai art is. Number 10, Chabo Hiba cypress. It's almost 275 years old. It's a jewel of the collection, the 6 Chabo Hiba Hinoki cypress trees, ranging in the age from the 150 to 275 years old. These trees are the oldest living trees in the Cambridge, Massachusetts, USA. On the number 9, the Yamaki Pine. The famous Yamaki Pine. It is famous for surviving the Hiroshima bomb attack. Currently placed at the US National Arboretum, Washington, D.C. 8. Shanghai Shogun Namasu. Sandai Shogun Namasu is a 5-needle pine. The bonsai is thought to be the 500 years old. It's declared as the national treasure of Japan. Trees has been passed down for the centuries, emperor to the emperor. On the number 7, there is a red pine bonsai, a 6-year-old red pine bonsai, one of the oldest bonsai located at Akau Herb and Rose Garden, Atami, Japan. On the number 6, 800 years old bonsai. This is a 800 years old bonsai from the Shonakin nursery, which is owned and operated by Kunio Kobayashi. On the number 5, it's another 800 years old tree from Shankain nursery. And I'm curious to know what is written on that banner in Japanese. If you know anybody, please comment down below. On the number 4, it's called $1 million bonsai. Maybe I should have one to get rich. The $1 million tree is old pine tree from Shankain nursery of Tokyo, Japan. And on number 3, it's a Juniper Bonsai tree. And of course, junipers are the must in every bonsai tree list. This bonsai tree is in the Mansai in nursery of Japan. It was collected from the Japanese forests. It was tested to be over 1000 years old. It is owned by the Kato family. On number 2, there is another Juniper Bonsai tree. This 1000-year-old Juniper Bonsai is also in the Mansai in Bonsai Nursery located in Omiya, Japan. The tree was collected from the wild and proven to be over a millennia old. And on the number 1, my favorite, Fus Reduc Salin. The last and the oldest tree in my list is the Fus Reduc Salin. That one found in the Crespi Bonsai Museum in the Italy. That sound delicious to me. Anyway, it is also tested to be over 1000 year old. This is it for today. If you like the video, please consider subscribing.